Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to change your OnlyFans password. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and go to onlyfans.com. Here, log into your account and at the bottom right, tap your profile icon. On the pop-up menu, tap Settings and tap Account. Now, under the Security section, tap Password and enter your current password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. Next, create a new password for your account. And re-enter the new password to confirm. When done, tap Save. So that's how you change your OnlyFans password. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.